Anna. Hi guys, we're gonna unbox the Imac 24-inch. We have a surprise color for you. Let's take a look. Come on. Pull it off, pull this tab from here all the way just to open this box. So let's take a look here. You can see the arrow, very simple. We just pull. Yeah. And then just in the wrong direction. Turn it around. Yeah. Surprise color. Ta-da! Can you see the color now? So let's get to the second box. Move this out of the way. Down. Ayo. And ta-da! Hey, what's this? Hello. So unfortunately, we don't have much space, so we have to make do. It says open to your left and right. So let's try left and right. Ta-da! So this is the Imac. It says hello, hello. So we're gonna put it one side. Can you stand on your own? Very nice. Okay, let's see what's in the box first. Keyboard. How do you open this? Ta-da! Whoa, very nice. Very nice color, surprise. The wait time in Malaysia is about 3 to 6 months for the Imac. So you have to be very patient. Look, all the cables are color coded, boy. Very, very nice. Color matching. So we'll do an ASMR later. Let me just bring out all the things first. Let me just take out all the things. We've got the power cable. We've got the mouse. Okay, the mouse is for sale. Green mouse I'm not going to open. It's for sale. Anybody who wants a green mouse? Apple mouse for sale. Okay, this is the Lightning to USB-C cable. Not sure what it's for. This is our first Imac, which we don't know. We just bought it because we thought of editing better videos. So this is the power cable. Oh yeah. So the USB-C, I don't know. Okay, any more things in the box? No. No more, that's all. That's all. We bought this for 6,600 ringgit. And then we had to buy the extended warranty, another 600 odd ringgit. So in total it's about 7,000 plus. Prepare for the ASMR. So here, the mouse, the keyboard, the stickers, power cable, and the power brick. So here you go, guys. Let's do this first. I'm not sure what this is for. Maybe connecting the iPhone to the iMac, which we may not use as we are Android users. So we're going to open this first. Power cable. Power cable. Very neatly and nicely packed. You can see the cables are all packed using the paper. Very nicely, well done. Very smart. Very smart packaging. So this is your cable from your 3-pin. And then here we go with the power brick. We shall not, maybe we shall. We've got no choice. We have to open this up. And then here, this is the paper. Very well done. The keyboard. We are not going to open the mouse, and the mouse is for sale, green. Very nice green. And next is this. Ta-da! Ready? Here we go. And there's another plastic at the back. Oh, there's a pull tab here, you can see. I did it wrongly. And then there's one last one, which is at the bottom, at the back. So the pull tab is here. Supposed to pull the tab here, and then, oops. Ta-da! Ta-da! So guys, here you have it. The iMac in green. So give us a like, a share, and maybe a sub if you like. Thank you so much. We are trying to venture into tech reviews. This is the first Mac that we bought, and we will let you know how it feels like to use this Mac as we go along, as we have never had a Mac. So see you again. Bye bye. Okay guys, finally we managed to set up everything. So now let's test the sound system. Go to Safari. What's this? Just go to YouTube. And then we will search for our video. And then let's try and play one of those. Oh, very nice sound system. Wow. Awesome. Morning guys. Selamat datang ke channel Kereta Recon yang paling terkemuka. Okay, it's playing in HD. Tahun 2023. HD 1080p. That's the highest resolution. Anyone who haven't subscribed to this wonderful channel, do subscribe now. Selamat datang ke channel kereta yang paling best di Malaysia tahun 2023. Inilah kereta-kereta yang akan datang ke channel kita. Jangan lupa tekan like, share dan subscribe. Kereta ini semua korang tak pernah jumpa, tak pernah nampak dan rare sekali. So, tekan like, tekan share dan komen. Terima kasih.